Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize URL inspection API requests for SEO troubleshooting, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the project associated with your website. If you don't have a project, create a new one by clicking on Select a Project and then New Project. Once you have your project open, scroll down to APIs and Services, then click on Library. In the API library, search for URL Inspection API. Next, click on the Enable button. After enabling the API, go back to the navigation menu. Select Credentials from the APIs and Services section. Here, you'll need to create credentials for your API requests. Click the Create Credentials button at the top of the page. Choose Service Account from the options provided. Fill in details like the service account name and description. Click Create to proceed to setting permissions. Choose Basic and select the editor role for broader access. Click Continue to finalize the permission settings. Now, click on Done to complete the creation of the service account. You'll see your newly created service account listed on the Credentials page. Next, click on the service account to open its details. Here, click on the Keys tab. Click the Add Key dropdown and select JSON. This will download a JSON file to your computer. Store this file securely, as it contains sensitive data. Return to your project, then navigate to the URL inspection tool within the Search console. You'll need to add your service account's email to the project as an owner. Once added, you can now authorize API requests using the credentials from the JSON file. Follow the relevant code examples provided in the API documentation. Implement the code in your application to authenticate using the downloaded JSON key. Ensure your application handles token generation and refreshing as per the documentation. With authorization complete, you can now make URL inspection requests for SEO troubleshooting. Test your implementation by inspecting a URL directly through the API. Monitor your application for any errors during requests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.